Hey there, is your Google Play Store acting up and only showing movies and TV shows? Frustrating, right? In this guide on how to fix your Google Play Store if it only shows movies and TV shows, we'll walk you through some practical steps to get your Play Store back to its full functionality so you can enjoy apps, games, and more. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Before diving into more complex solutions, ensure you have a stable internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can limit the content you see. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to check if that resolves the issue. If your connection is strong and stable, move on to the next step. Step 2. Clear cache and data of the Play Store. Over time, cache data can accumulate, leading to unexpected glitches. To clear the cache and data, go to Settings on your device. Tap Apps or App Management. Find and select Google Play Store. Tap Storage. Press Clear Cache and then Clear Data. Reload the Google Play Store and see if the issue persists. Clearing cache and data can often fix any temporary problem. Step 3. Check for device region or country settings. Sometimes the Play Store content is restricted by your region or country settings. Open the Play Store. Tap your profile icon at the top right. Choose Settings, then General, followed by Account and Device Preferences. Ensure your country and profile setting is set to the correct country. Changing regions may impact the availability of apps and movies, so make sure your settings are accurate. Step 4. Update or reinstall the Google Play Store. Make sure your Play Store is up to date, as outdated versions can cause functionality issues. Open the Play Store and tap your profile icon. Select Settings and navigate to About. Check for updates and allow any pending updates to complete. If updating doesn't work, uninstall Play Store updates to revert to a factory version. Navigate to Settings, then Apps. Find Google Play Store. Select Uninstall Updates. Your Play Store will revert to the original version and update automatically later on. Step 5. Remove and re-add your Google account. If none of the above solutions work, try removing and then re-adding your Google account. Go to Settings, then Accounts. Select your Google account and choose Remove Account. Once removed, go back to Accounts and tap Add Account to sign back in with your Google credential. Re-adding your Google account can refresh the sync and solve any issues linked to account data. There you have it, a complete guide on how to fix your Google Play Store if it only shows movies and TV shows. By checking your internet connection, clearing cache and data, verifying your region settings, updating the Play Store, and managing your Google account, you should be able to restore full functionality to your Google Play Store. Don't forget to always check for updates and read community forums for any specific issues that might arise. Good luck and happy app hunting.